Welcome to this channel. You may have an error message such as your message couldn't be sent because it includes content that other people on Facebook have reported as abusive. And this simply means that if you are sending something with a link that you get a message like this, it means your website or the site in the link that you are sending has been blocked. That is basically what it means. In this case, I was just trying to create a lead form so that people can, when I create a lead form, in fact, the link was the one containing the privacy policies. So people who want to go and read the privacy policies, it is mandatory if you are creating a lead form on Facebook or doing a lead campaign, you have to put your privacy policies and people know what you're collecting their information to do. So this is it. But unfortunately, after putting the lead form, all of a sudden, when I kept the lead form and the link to the lead form, they have blocked the website with this error message saying that your message couldn't be sent because it includes content that other people on Facebook have reported as abusive. Now, I'm going to show you exactly how to resolve this problem, okay? I'm going to show you how to resolve it, and you can get the result as soon as possible. If you're new here, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell and like this video so that it will help us do more other powerful videos like this. Okay, so when you come to, open a new tab and then type Facebook debugger tool, then you see something like what I'm seeing here. This is the interface. You can go back and type Facebook debugger, then it will come. So you see something like this. They said, how does the Facebook crawler work? You can use the sharing debugger to see the information that is used when your website content is shared on Facebook, Messenger, and other places. The batch invalidator will let you refresh this information for multiple URL at the same time. So just come and put your website link here. I'm going to just copy it. So you post it here and click on debug. You see, they say we can't review this website because the content doesn't meet our community standards. If you think we made a mistake, please let us know. So you click on please let us know. Then to keep Facebook safe, we sometimes block certain content and actions. If you think we have made a mistake, please let us know. While we aren't able to review individual reports, the feedback you provide will help us improve the ways we keep Facebook safe. So you write something like what I'm putting here. I am trying to create a lead form, but I'm getting the error message. Your message couldn't be sent because it includes content that other people on Facebook have reported as abusive, indicating that my website is blocked. Please remove the blockage on my website because my website is following Facebook policies and is doing nothing offensive, illegal, or abusive. So I said, thanks for taking time to include this report. Okay, so we'll send. Thanks for providing feedback about this experience. So they will probably review this report and then reinstate or unblock this website. So you can check within 48 hours to see if it works or it doesn't work. You can check later and see if it works or it doesn't work. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. And see you in the next video.